What's up, guys? Today we'll be trying every single gadget in Ammo Company. I am back on Ammo Company video, guys. First up, the flashlight, the good old flashlight. Let's go test this out in the mine. Yeah, nothing really to show. You can like shine or that's useless. Shine over here. Let's say you got it on the console button, yeah. Slot. But that's what's bad about having lights! That's what's bad having light or cottages. Turn them off while you're next English, otherwise you just have loot and everything. But yeah. And next up, the weird glow stick. Oh my god. You can just say time up. The weird glow stick is what everyone uses. It shines up a much better area. And that's base and that's everything. Now the next one. This one is a time saver, bro. The jetpack, aka rocket. It saves a lot of time. Say I want to go up here. Well, I want to turn. Saves a lot of time. Yep. Now the camera. Let's take a photo or something. Let's take a photo of the anglerfish. That's my weird ghost. What the fuck? He's on that light. Wait, this is good. This. Now, come back. No. That's really good. Yeah, that's good. Why is the VHS tape up there, bro? What? See how much an anglerfish sells now. Look how cute that guy has, dude. I wonder how much tooth he lost in his childhood, bro. He's been here for a year and he hasn't dropped a single tooth. And the amount of people he has bited, raw meat should make his teeth fall out. Why is the cell machine like this? Bang, ba, bam, ba, da, ba, toom, 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 how much does the cell for? Yeah, I made a profit. Let's go. Alright, next item is the saddle. You need 2 people for it, but this is just a little fun. There's 2 fun facts. I want to show you guys 2 fun facts about the saddle. This one's just fun. You get a prop gun in a saddle. You become the saddle. And then grab this. You can fly a whole new world. It's pretty easy to control, and you can just yahoo! Yay! Wow! And just let go if you want. And yeah, that's the first fun fact about the saddle. So, the other fun fact is We gotta go to the forest for this. So before you could just grab right here and ride the turkey, there was another way to ride the turkey. Placing the saddle on it. You can see the saddle's on the turkey and you can actually ride it. Wait, let's just calm that guy down to prove that I'm not grabbing that like hot pot up there. You can see the saddle's literally on him. Not that many people know that. Ah! I hope it's not become night. Where's our little turkey? Right there. Look, I wanna hop on. See, I'm not grabbing it. I literally grab on there. There's a one bag. I'm escaping before it becomes night, bro. Oof, maybe I'll just turn. Alright. Next up, teleport ball. Remember when the tech tree came out? This was so cool. Yes. I think everyone knows what teleport ball is. I fumbled that. The teleport word is pretty cool. Also, you can glitch for the map with it. I'm not that good at it, but oh, like that. I'm outside the map. Wait, Loki. Ah! Don't question what that screen was, guys. It was content screen. You spit me. And that's the teleport ball. Next up, the plunger. It's just team version of hook shot. Before, back in my days, you cannot. It was like you couldn't do it. But then next up, they added this boom. They added this like a year ago. Boom. You feel you can't feel like Spider-Man doing that. This is fun. Oh, almost got there. Boom, 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 boom. Ah! Clutch. Well, that's the plunger. Yeah, so you can just do that. Wait, you can throw it on the walls like that. Next up, the scanner. It's like good, but no one uses it, bro. Yeah, you put your stash, you put your items here, and you can, and you. From someone and you try to hide it and when you pray don't find it, you can be like boom, bang, bop, boom, and then where it blends in you can press X marks the spot, boom, and yep, that's it. Next item, the iPad. This was a W item back in my day, but now it's useless. Where can I go to? They get mines. What the? Okay, so it points to monsters. Bro, I put turn on. Okay. So I guess they removed the material thing. But it points to monsters, alright? You see that red dot that's kind of glitching? Yeah, that's the mimic. That right there, that's the spider. Alright, now let's get up. Screw it. Boom. So I bet it's like, if you ever go to a new map, if you're like really scared and don't know the monster, you can use it. But I recommend this, but everyone else don't. Alright, next one, umbrella. This weapon is not weapon. Gadget is useful because like you can glide, you can be safe from monsters, you can play all. It was just a good item, alright. Clover umbrella. No, my god. Clover umbrella is just the same. What thing is this? Squirrel umbrella's the same. They're all the same. And then the box. It says in the subscription that you're supposed to hide from monsters in it. But what I do is way better, bro. This method is super good. Before I had my YouTube channel, I put a box over the mimic when Armstrong Cake was here, and I made him come over to spawn, and yeah. You didn't see me. I could go away. Yeah, I'm getting a weapon for this. Also, you can go on the box. That's. But you can place them on mimic heads, okay? You can place them on mimic head, and they can get, if you get lucky, they can hit you. And yeah. What I have to do is go into Broke AF and place a mimic, and then I send him down, and he can hit them, but they can't hit him because he has a box over him. Next up, friend launcher. I need a friend first, but you can launch your friends. Yeah. Fans. Alright, so I'm getting to this. They are very known for goop picks. And if you want to go high, you must touch the ground. Like this. Whoa! Ah! And they will go on forever. Blah. Whoa! Parked. It's super good pork. But they're really good. Next up, the mega flashlight. This boy is the boy of them all. Super duper hooper good. But it sucks because no one ever uses it. Because you can't even put it on your hip though. But it shines up so much. Sin sounds like much. Don't mind him. And yeah, some people use it, but you can also attach it to a bag. If you want it so bad, Angel, then go get it. That's just my dog, guys. Don't mind me, he's a little aggressive sometimes. He likes it. Next up, we're going to the end. Zipline gun. People used to use these for duping. You can make a zipline. And when people sometimes place it on the dam, and then people would think and they would say that there's a thing at the end, but they lied, and then they used a grenade or made a weapon to this. And they died. Up next, Oh, I did it wrongly. Whatever. Hook shot, bro. Hook shot is the best item, except for backwards. You need back for everything. But hook shots, it sadly got a nerf when the new map came. You can't grapple on metal. Dun dun dun! But most of the items you can just grapple all over on. So it's a W weapon. How is this not metal, bro? This is metal. You cannot grapple. Alright. Next up, the Robo Monkey. This item could actually be good. See, there's a monster right there. That is the monster. And I'm way too scared to go there. You can kill it like this. Hello, monster! You're cooked! And then they die. Yeah. Just a little fun fact. But if they're invincible, they're just useless. The Yeet Blade. This should have been first, but I don't care. It's good because it's the only gadget that has a weapon. It can do this, but for some reason it can't grab on metal. Like, this is made out of metal, bro. Like, just look at this. This should be able to grab on metal. Let's test that on the anglerfish. Bro, angler. Hiya, ya! Alright, oh, anglerite. And box dies. Yeah. There's just I rather the regular choppers, like this blade can get in the way and it's like annoying. But yeah, that's the Yeet Blade. 3 more items. The hoverboard. This is just not a good option. Get the box and sure it can get you higher and stop but like low. Runs out. If you want it to last forever, you have to do this. But that's like annoying. So get the box. But you can also use these for good builds if you want. Oh, rip. Next up, the teleport gun. This is just a better version of the teleport grenade. In every way. It has unlimited. You can shoot up there with your hits. Does not need range though, but not need to the teleport ball, but it's impossible for that. And also you can go through walls like that. So overall, it's just a better version of the teleport ball. And the last gadget we have, it is like good. I usually pair it up with this. I lay on my back, say this. Oh, I need to get my Yeet Blade. It's like an item and there's no exit away and you're way too scared to use it. Alright, I glitched through the map, I got it. Alright, I can go now. And you skip with your item if you gotta hold it though. Yeah, that's every gadget right now. Alright, that's it for today, guys. I turned back to Animal Crossing post my other videos. They did not do good. I only did them because I had no idea, but now I have an idea. Shout out to Slat2. I didn't ask him for this though because I cannot reach out it, bro. But he did the weapon and the weapon, ranking every weapon 7 months ago, and ranking every weapon 7 months ago. So yeah, just shout out to him. He gave me an idea. But that's it for today, guys. Goodbye. Have a great day.